How's it going today, guys? My name's Mike Ulrich. I'm standing here at MarineMax Venice, and I'm standing aboard a 2025 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. That is a mouthful, but don't worry. There's so many features on this boat, the boat warrants that long of a name. Right off the bat, you're going to see that this one is equipped with triple Mercury 250s. Okay, when you have the triple engines, you get the larger fuel tank on this boat, giving you all capabilities for that long-range cruising. You can get them in white or black. Just like the interior, you can get in 3 different options. Come and step onto the boat. I'm going to start showing you why. Off the bat, you're going to notice that this boat is bright because it is white. This is the ivory interior. You get that nice mocha accent with it. On the flooring, this is non-skid all the way through. You can get sea deck to match, or infinity woven vinyl, or even teak. So there's a lot of options to make this boat unique to you. Over here on the side, this is what we like to call our summer kitchen. Great for entertaining those long days on the water. You're going to have a Kenyan cooktop, your freshwater sink. You're going to even have outlets up here. Great for a blender, some may say. Right below, you're going to have a nice fridge and trash can receptacle. Over here, there is a beautiful, large teak cockpit table that does mount, transforming this whole area into a nice conversation or dining area. Up above, you'll notice that this one is equipped with the sure shade option. So that shade's going to go all the way back, putting all of this under shade, making sure everybody is comfortable. But of course, some people do like the sun, so this one is equipped with the sunroof option. It's nice because you can close it up or open it up. Great for 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day, any of those beautiful holidays that are going to give you fireworks. It's an awesome boat to sit upon and watch those. Another cool feature that this boat has is the climate control. So you're going to notice these vents throughout the boat. Don't worry, they're not just for looks. These are for air conditioning. This boat is equipped with both cockpit AC and cabin AC down below. As you come up here, you're going to see your full command station. You're going to have twin Simrads. These are 12-inch right here. This is the upgraded package. You're going to have your nice LED switches below so you can know what is on or off. But everything is nice integrated into this. So everything you need control in your boat, your music, your sounds, your lights, your chart plotter, all that good stuff, you're going to have easy access right from here. Over here on the side, you will see that nice AC vent. So whoever's driving on a hot day like today, you're going to have that comfortable AC. But also right next to your throttle is going to be your joystick. So on Sea Rays, once you have twin engines or more, joystick becomes a standard option. Integrated into that joystick is going to be obviously your joystick docking, which makes docking an absolute breeze, but also you're going to have autopilot and skyhook. What skyhook is kind of like Spotlock would give you on a trolling motor, but on a lot larger scale. So what it does on this boat, when you simply press the button right there that says skyhook, it is going to hold your boat in place. About a 10 by 10 square. So it's great for if you're waiting for a bridge to open or a parking spot to open up in a marina. That gives you a great feature to wait in confidence comfortable. Over here on the side, you do have a nice companion seat. You can slide this back, giving you even more room in the back of the boat for great conversations. But of course, the boat doesn't stop there. This is a Sundancer, so that means you've got the best of both worlds. You've got all the access up here for day boating, but you can transform it into overnight and weekends as well. You follow me down to the cabin, you'll see that the forward area is set up in a bed configuration right now, giving you a nice seating or sleeping area with the TV. You can open this up. There's a table concealed below. Pop that up, turns into a little bit of a dinette. In the back, you've got 2 additional twin berths that you can bring together to be a king. But right in here, you have a beautiful, beautiful wet head. That is tile floor. You actually have a window in there to get nice ventilation, great mirrors, beautiful sink. So turning your longer days into the water a lot cleaner, a lot fresher, and a lot more comfortable, especially on hot days like today. Follow me up here. As you transition into the bow, you're going to see how much room is up here on the front of the boat. Nice lounging area. You're going to have storage lockers in the front, great for fenders or dock lines. You do have full access to your windlass. When you look back, you'll notice that this is a one-piece windshield on this boat. We walked through the walkway. You can get this boat in a full windshield as you see, or you can get it in the standard half glass. A cool thing about Sea Ray, though, is no matter what option configuration you select, it's going to come standard with a full canvas enclosure package, enclosing the entire boat, giving you more sleeping area up top and another way to enjoy that nice air conditioning. Guys, this is the 2025 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. If you'd like to come see it, it's located right here at MarineMax Venice. My name's Mike Ulrich. Thanks for watching.